Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can draw an ellipse as a shape or object into your drawings on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. Head over to your page here in your LibreOffice Draw project, and here on the left hand side, guys, you will see these drawing tools. You may choose the ellipse here just below the rectangle shapes, or you may double click into it and start drawing. And after that you may, for example, guys, start here, set the start point with your left mouse, drag it, and if you'd like to stabilize it to make it a perfect circle, you may use left shift. But since we want to add an ellipse, I'm not going to do this. And yeah, you can customize the length. As you can see, it works almost the same way as drawing or inserting a circle. Now you can mirror, for example, the ellipse by holding your left mouse and by switching to the other side, just like that, and do this vertically, horizontally, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.